The story of Galileo. Galilei and how he was arrested 1564 to 1642. Early life. Born February 10, 1560, in Pisa, Italy, into a family of modest nobility. His father, Vincenzo Galilei, was a musician and music theorist. Galileo initially studied medicine at the University of Pisa, but shifted to mathematics and natural philosophy, which suited him far better. Around 1583, observing a swinging lamp in Pisa Cathedral at Mass, he reportedly noticed the pendulum's regular timing, leading to later studies on pendulum motion. He conducted experiments on falling bodies, challenging Aristotle's view that heavier objects fall faster than lighter ones. The famous Leaning Tower of Pisa drop story is likely more legend than documented fact, but his rolling ball experiments on inclined planes were real and rigorous. In 1589, he became a mathematics professor at Pisa, then moved to the University of Padua in 1592, where he spent his most productive years. The telescope and astronomical discoveries. In 1609, Galileo heard of a Dutch spyglass invention and built his own improved version, eventually achieving about 30x magnification, turning it skyward in 1609 to 1610. He made groundbreaking observations, craters and mountains on the moon, showing it wasn't a perfect, smooth sphere. For moons orbiting Jupiter, now called the Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, Callisto, proof that not everything orbits Earth. The phases of Venus, which supported a sun-centered solar system. Countless stars invisible to the naked eye, revealing the Milky Way's true nature. He published these findings in Sidereus Nuncius' Starry Messenger in 1610, which made him famous across Europe. Conflict with the Church. Galileo became a vocal advocate for Copernican heliocentrism. Earth orbits the Sun, which contradicted the Church's official Aristotelian, Ptolemaic geocentric view. In 1616, the Church declared heliocentrism formally heretical, and Galileo was warned not to teach or defend it. In 1632, he published dialogue concerning the two chief world systems, presenting arguments for heliocentrism through a debate between fictional characters widely seen as a thinly veiled defense of Copernicanism. In 1633, the Roman Inquisition tried him for heresy. Under threat of torture, he was forced to recant his views. Legend holds he muttered "E per se move," and yet it moves afterward, likely apocryphal, but it captures the spirit of the moment. He spent the rest of his life under house arrest at his villa in Arcetri, near Florence. Later work. Even under arrest, Galileo remained productive. In 1638, he published To New Sciences, laying groundwork for classical mechanics covering the strength of materials and the mathematics of motion. This work influenced Newton profoundly. Death and legacy. Galileo died on January 8, 1642. At age 77, the same year Isaac Newton was born. He went blind in his final years, possibly from his telescope observations of the sun. He's often called the father of observational astronomy, the father of modern physics, and the father of the scientific method for his emphasis on experimentation and mathematical description of nature. In 1992, the Catholic Church formally acknowledged the errors of the Inquisition